Oh, it's trying to, yeah, keeping the irritating insects away from its body. Yes.
Here, let me take better pictures.
So can we go a little bit forward, closer to the babies?
Yeah.
Good. It's also two babies here, but they were behind the bushes.
Oh yeah, there it is.
Mm. And it's that male there with no tail. So we know these breeding heads. I'm sure that the tail is cut off maybe by
Look,
the
it's sliding.
crocodiles.
That's
Yeah, look at that one playing.
Okay, let me see.
Oh, that's cute. Take that.
Oh,
that's
what are they doing?
Francis on the way, I think.
Oh, that is so.
You can sleep on the Land Rover's bonnet, it's fine. It looks so far from
You can narrate it. Just talk. Now what are they doing? Now they're frowning.
Yeah, they're just playing fighting.